Our real estate sales has been decreasing for several months now. If it continues, our company might close for bankruptcy.
Oh my. That's a sad news. But I think we must also try building our online presence through having a website and let someone do the search engine optimization strategy or SEO. A lot of our competitors, both real estate agents and companies, have been doing that, a reason why they have surpassed our sales.
Okay, who do you think may be able to improve our online presence?
Alex of WiseGuyApps.com can work on our business. He offers web design and development, and search engine optimization.
Okay, please call him as soon as possible and let's start building our business on the World Wide Web.